All right, guys. SHIB has been lingering right now at this point of time for a very long time here. So you do have inverse head and shoulder, but I think, in my opinion, it's a flop now. But a technical target still remains at 1484 if you end up taking the the inverse head and shoulder as well. So what I wanted to say is that there's this trend line, unfortunately for SHIB, that I just noticed you actually lost previously. Just look at that, okay? That's the trend line that you lost. So you were building up the right shoulder, went up, made a fake out, went up, made a fake out, and then you finally came, and then there was a price squeezing between these levels. It's like a sort of a little bit of a ascending triangle, but unfortunately it broke to the downside, and now you went up for the retest and you're getting rejected here. So that inverse head and shoulder might have come to an end. That might have been cancelled right now, and what you're looking forward to is a retracement perhaps, but nonetheless, if you do end up coming up here and breaking this level, that's really good. That's what you want to see. But if you're not doing that, then that's really bad. Okay, that's gonna be bad. Today's Thursday. There could be a hope a little bit for for a pump here and there, but you never know. Okay, so right now that's the only comment I have. You must come up and break the neckline and continue to the upside as well.